Are you tired of hearing everyone talk about jailbreaking their Fire Stick to get free content, but you are not completely sure what that actually means? Or maybe you are trying to install a new media player and your device is completely blocking you. Check this out. There is a massive misunderstanding floating around out there, and if you do it wrong, you might end up breaking your setup or buying a device that completely locks you out. Don't worry, today we are clearing up the confusion and getting your device running flawlessly. Welcome back to TechVibes. Before we dive into the fixes, make sure to grab NordVPN using the link in the description and pinned comments. It is a total no-brainer to run this in the background, so all your third-party apps run smoothly without your internet provider throttling your speed. So, why is this sudden confusion happening right now in 2026? Amazon is pushing heavy updates to their systems, and people are panicking thinking that jailbreaking is dead. Here is the truth. You cannot actually jailbreak a Fire Stick because it does not require a root hack. What people actually mean is sideloading. Sideloading is just the act of installing awesome apps that are not found on the official Amazon App Store. Amazon is hiding these settings deeper than ever, which is why your apps are failing to install. Let us fix that right now. Step 1 is unhiding your developer menu. Amazon completely hid this option in the latest update to stop you from adding outside apps. To bring it back, click on your main settings gear icon and click into the My Fire TV card. Next, hover over the About section and click the main select button on your remote exactly 7 times. A quick notification will pop up at the bottom saying you are now a developer. It is that simple. Step 2 is allowing unknown applications. Now that you unlock the hidden menu, press the back button once on your remote. You will see a brand new option appear right below the About section called Developer Options. Click into it, find the setting that says Install Unknown Apps, and flip that toggle to On. This gives your device the green light to accept outside files. Step 3 is downloading the ultimate transfer tool. Head back to the official Amazon App Store on your home screen and search for an app called Downloader. It has an orange logo, and it is completely free. Install it directly from the official store. This app acts as your web browser and file manager to pull in any package you want. Step 4 is adjusting your network settings for maximum speed. If your sideloaded apps are buffering, your connection is the bottleneck. Go back to your settings, click on Network, and choose your current connection. Change your system configuration from automatic to manual IP. Set your primary DNS 8.8.8.8 and your secondary DNS 8.8.4.4. This routes your traffic through Google servers for a super snappy response time. Step 5 is configuring your wireless band. A lot of users accidentally connect their streaming sticks to the old 2.4 GHz wireless band. That band is way too slow for high-quality video streams. Go to your network settings and make sure you select your 5 GHz network instead. It provides way more bandwidth and stops buffering in its tracks. Step 6 is clearing out your system cache. Sideloaded apps love to hoard background data, which slows down your entire user interface. Go to your settings, click on Applications, and select Manage Installed Applications. Go through your heavy apps. Click Clear Cache and free up that precious memory. Here is a quick game-changer pro tip for you. If you are shopping for a new streaming device, avoid the new Fire TV Stick 4K Select model. Amazon built that specific model on a brand new system called Vega OS instead of Android. Vega OS completely blocks sideloading altogether. Stick to the standard 4K Max models if you want total freedom. If you face any difficulty with these steps, just drop a comment down below. I watch the comment section closely, and I will reply within 1 hour to help you out. If this video cleared up the confusion for you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel TechVibes. You are now fully unlocked and ready to stream.